If you've already made any of the changes mentioned in the DreamHost knowledge base article, How Do I Change the WordPress Site URL, and you're not able to log into your dashboard, you can instead use phpMyAdmin to update the home and site URLs. Step 1. Open phpMyAdmin. Step 2. Click your database name in the left pane. Several tables appear below it. Click your WP Options table. Step 3. Locate the site URL and home rows. Step 4. Click the pencil icon next to each to edit. Step 5. Alter the URL by typing in a new one. Step 6. Click the Go button to save the changes. Do this for both the site URL and home options. You should now be able to log into your site at the updated URL.